Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura Impreza S9 espresso machine. This machine was leaking and not producing coffee, and we resolved this with a tune-up. So let's go ahead and test the machine. We're using water to test the frothing mechanism, just to see if it can suck. This way we won't have to clean it again. You can see it sucks the water nicely. And we clean this whole mechanism. Now it's going to make the shot. First we have pre-infusion. And then the full shot. Nice strong shot of espresso. And that's the way we did it today. This will make Americano. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.